Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. It is Sunday night, and this is a coin that I was going to highlight on my Monday market report tomorrow, but I have something that's even better that you guys are going to love based off of the sales I've seen in the past week. As a matter of fact, all these sales happened in the past 24 hours, and you just have to see how crazy some of these mid-century to 1970s coins have been performing at auction. Tonight, however, we're going to talk about a 1966 clad Washington quarter that sold through great collections to the tune of $4,203. That's with everything included, all of the buyer's fees, the actual hammer price, all inclusive in there. And this is a coin that graded out PCGS, Mid-State 68. There were only two, and I repeat, two examples that grade out at this high level, with none that has graded higher. Okay, so that means there's no 68 plus, there's no 69, there's no perfect 70. This is a tough date. Okay, it's even tougher than 1965. Comparing the two dates, 65 and 66, 65, the U.S. Mint actually put a little bit of time and effort in making those coins look great. In 1966, well, kind of that honeymoon period, went into the fact as the clad coinage has become, more of a regular thing with the Mint. So the quality isn't as high, okay, which has there in turn affected the populations. 1965, there are more Mid-State 68 examples as opposed to 1966 with it too. So this one, I looked at it and I looked at it and I looked at it some more, because you have to kind of differentiate the scratches that appear on the PCGS slab plastic, or if it's blemishes that show up on the actual coin. So I sat here and I analyzed it for probably a good 20 to 30 minutes just to make sure that I'm finding everything that I can about the coin to kind of solidify the grade, okay? Because Mid-State 68, it's no joke, the coin literally has to be blemish free, okay? The only thing that can make a coin like this even stronger in terms of grade are things like strike characteristics, luster. All right, so a coin can exhibit no scratches, no dings or dents or anything like that, no circulation wear, no bag marks. But if it doesn't have the luster or the strong strike characteristics, then it should grade lower. So I have come to the realization, and it's a close one. I think they did okay with a grade of 68. It is in a Secure Plus slab. That's what that little gold shield is on the actual slab label, which means they gave it an extra bit of care in determining the actual grade on it. They also took a little bit of more care, and not to say that they don't take care of other coins, but this one, they make sure that they have a number of people actually take a look at it to ensure that the grade is spot on for the coin's look and appearance. So, with only two graded, all right, and the price level being between $4,000 and $5,000, I don't see this dropping any time at all. As a matter of fact, 1960s quarters in the last 2-3 weeks have been absolutely amazing in terms of the secondary market, okay, and coins have been selling in the $2,000 to $6,000 range, and pick your poison. All right, there was a 69 that sold a short while ago for a large amount of money. That's not even a Mid-State 68. So 1960s clad, copper nickel clad quarters in high grades are absolutely phenomenal right now. Okay, and I foresaw it coming because it's just that time of year when coins like this overperform at a high level, and the registry set collectors are looking for examples like this. So be sure you check out your BU rolls. I doubt this is a coin that you would effectively find in circulation. It's going to be one of those coins that comes out of an old BU assortment, whether it's a bag or some old rolls. So, you know, if you're feeling lucky and you wanted to explore looking for some of these 1960s quarters, so be it. It's a pretty nice sale. Don't get me wrong, and this is one that I feel like it's going to be hot through next year, if not longer. There's no better time to buy these than I would say now. They're just going to get more and more expensive because of just how tough they are. But I wanted to, you know, kick off the week this evening with this sale. Absolutely phenomenal coin. Again, it's I believe it is deserving of the 68 based off of the images that I see. And you know, as always, I appreciate your guys' time tonight. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. If you like the content this evening, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And as always, I'm your host, Blue Ridge Silverhound. Thanks for joining in this evening. I will see you with the official Monday market report first thing tomorrow morning / lunchtime. So you guys take care, have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you then.